Welcome to this technical corner. Today I'm joined by Mike Warwick from Hoffmann Group UK.
Hi.
Now, welcome Mike.
Thank you very much for having me.
You're very welcome. Now, Mike, vending solutions from Hoffmann, digitalisation and software are big topics at the minute across the manufacturing sector. Yeah. But how does a vending solution benefit an engineering company?
The keys is for efficiency. With a vending solution with Hoffmann, you can put any of your equipment, tooling, PPE, metrology. If you've got anything that you want to use on the shop floor, it can all be stored in the vending machine, and it's all consigned into one space basically. And you know where it is, you can track it, you have complete accountability of who's taking everything out of the vending machine and who's using what. And so in general, the time savings from not having to search for the tools, thinking, oh, where did I put that drill, where did I put those pair of pliers, it's all there, it's all in the vending machine.
Now the hardware is one aspect, but the software is unique to Hoffmann, is that correct?
That's correct. So Hoffmann produced the hardware and the software ourselves in Germany, so it's Hoffmann manufactured it, and they have the developers of the software as well. So we work very closely with the developers, and we can customize, meet customers' needs if they want changes. We feel like we've already put in a lot of features to enable all customers with the ability to monitor anything from our catalogue within the vending machine.
Well, you mentioned monitoring. Now, cutting tools is one of the biggest expenditures for any engineering company. Yes, as a consumable item. Give me examples of how this vending solution will monitor the cutting tool usage and how cost savings can be made.
Yeah. So when you install a vending machine, we're going to put the cutting tools inside, and everyone will have a login, and they will know that they're accountable for the tools that they take. And so almost every time we install a vending machine, we see that the usage goes down because the people on the shop floor will just take what they need. They use it, and then when it's broken they come back and they get another one, and they don't take any spares, which they probably were doing if there was just an open drawer system, and they could take a handful, because why would they not take a handful and just take them all to the machine? And then you end up with 3 or 4 different people all with the same tools at the different machines.
I would assume this comes down to accountability and responsibility.
Exactly.
You're more accountable for what you're using.
Yes, and the users know that, and there's fully reporting systems, so the managers and the team leaders of the shop floor can run reports weekly or daily or monthly on who's used what. They can see the jobs that the people have been doing in the shop floor, and if certain people are using more than the others, then obviously they are accountable for them.
I would assume as well, Mike, that you'll never have a scenario where the machine tool will be down because you'll be waiting for a cutting tool.
Exactly, and the beauty of the Hoffmann vending machine is that it will automatically reorder stock directly to Hoffmann from the vending machine.
Mike?
So how you set it up is when you put the items in the vending machine, you will set up reorder levels and reorder quantities, and so you can change them at any time, and as the usage goes up and down for your business, you can increase or decrease the reorder levels. And the vending machine is connected to the internet, and it sends an email directly to Hoffmann, and the the orders are processed instantly through. It's all automated, so there's no human input whatsoever.
Now, tooling is another big aspect. Now, you can't do a job without the correct tools. Can you give me an example of how the vending solution, again, saves time and money?
Exactly. The main saving is time saving from not having to find the tools, because you know where they all are. They're all in the vending machine. You can get them from it, and you don't have to rummage around your drawers or anything like that. Another saving is that you can set up specific job categories in the software as well. So you can say, for this certain job, I need these 6 tools, and I will always need these 6 tools. So you can go to the vending machine as a user and say, I'm doing this job now, and it will open all 6 compartments. Brilliant. And you get the 6 tools, and off you go and do your job. Is this like
a bit of an element of 5S there?
Yeah, it's a big part of 5S, together with the workstations and storage, and with the e-form that we do as well. The vending is definitely, makes everything tidier, everything's consigned into one space.
Can you explain what the e-form is, Mike?
So the e-form is a product that Hoffmann supplies, which is foam inlays which can be put inside drawers or hung up on our workbenches and workstations, and basically you can customize it completely however you want. So you can put any shapes or sizes of tools in, and it puts a little indent in, and the tool sits in it, as you can see here. And as you take the tools out, you can see that there's clearly a gap. And so you can have it at a glance. It's very good for 5S at a glance.
It's being organised effectively.
It's been organised, yeah. And once you get the organisation in, everything runs so much smoother.
Yeah, I totally agree. Now, PPE, this is something that sometimes can be overlooked in certain engineering companies, but certainly should not be, in my opinion. It's obviously very, very important. Give me examples or an example of how PPE has saved money within an engineering organisation.
Yeah, we actually installed a Pick One recently at a customer, and they used it exclusively for PPE. It was the first customer of ours that used it purely for PPE, because usually there's a mix and they'll put some cutting tools in and they'll put some PPE in. But this was exclusively for PPE, and it was mostly gloves, and their usage almost instantly from the week the vending machine was installed reduced by about 25%.
Wow.
Purely because of the accountability. The guys on the shop floor knew that they were being monitored, they knew that there would be reports on them. They were all doing very similar jobs, so they knew that the managers could compare them and see who was using the most gloves.
Is it safe to say that kind of trend, them kind of percentages, run through all of the range, the cutting tools, the tooling? Is that a generic kind of
a definite
saving?
trend for usage almost always decreases with a vending machine.
So effectively, if you invest your money in a vending solution from Hoffmann, you will see a quick return of investment.
Exactly, it pays for itself, not just in physical cutting tools, but it's the hidden costs, it's the time, it's the person who has to do the ordering. There's all these hidden costs that aren't directly tools or items that you purchase, it's all the time that is spent, which can be saved and done 100% automated via vending machine.
Thank you very much for your time. It's been an absolute pleasure to learn more about the vending solutions from Hoffmann Group UK. If you're looking to become more efficient, contact Hoffmann Group UK.